In this short video you will learn everything about the smartphone Realme 9i in a couple of minutes. Let's go. The case of Realme 9i is entirely made of plastic. The glossy back has an interesting pattern that transforms the appearance of the smartphone in good light. On the right side there is a power button with a built-in fingerprint scanner, which, with rare exceptions, works quickly and correctly. On the left is a triple tray for 2 SIM and a memory card. Micro SD up to 1 TB is supported, as well as a volume rocker. The gadget weighs approximately 190 grams, and its dimensions are 164.4 by 75.7 by 8.4 millimeters. The smartphone comes with a transparent silicone case that protects the back and protruding camera module from scratches. For the sound of the novelty is worthy of praise. There is an audio jack and 2 speakers on board. The top speaker is quieter than the bottom speaker, but pairing them together produces a stereo effect. And in general, they play loud, clear and bass. The smartphone is equipped with a 6.6-inch IPS screen with Full HD Plus resolution. Thanks to the pixel density of 401 pixels per inch, the matrix displays an image without graininess. Viewing angles are far from the maximum, so the black tint fades at a slight tilt. The range of brightness adjustments is wide, so that the device is comfortable to use in any light. Peak brightness is 480 nits. But the refresh rate of the display, unlike last year's model, is reduced from 120 Hz to 90 Hz. In the screen settings there is an eye protection mode that reduces the glow of the blue spectrum, and a color temperature adjustment slider. There is no oleophobic coating on the glass, but there is a protective film on the screen from the factory. There are 3 lenses on the back of the Realme 9i. The main sensor has a resolution of 50 megapixels and f1.8 aperture. Next to it are a 2 megapixels macro and a depth sensor. The front camera is represented by a 16 megapixels module with a fixed focus and f2.1 aperture. The device shoots video in Full HD resolution at 30 fps, but without electronic stabilization. Autofocus works quickly. The sound is fixed, though in stereo, but with extraneous noise. The heart of Realme 9i is the Qualcomm Snapdragon 680 processor. The solution, built on a 6nm process technology, has 8 Cryo 265 cores and an Adreno 610 graphics accelerator. The test device is equipped with 4 GB of RAM and 128 GB of permanent memory. There is an NFC module. Wi-Fi 2.4, 5 GHz is supported to connect to the network. Out of the box, the smartphone runs the 11th version of Android in the Realme UI 2.0 proprietary shell. The interface pleases with an abundance of useful settings and customization options. Realme 9i has a 5000 mAh battery. It supports proprietary Dart Charge fast charging technology. With the help of a complete 33W power supply, the device replenishes 50% of the battery capacity in half an hour. The battery is fully charged in 1 hour 10 minutes. In the settings there is a function of optimized night charging to extend battery life. Do not find fault with the autonomy of the device. The test Full HD video at medium brightness and in airplane mode is played for 23 hours, while when scrolling through a 1080p YouTube video, the gadget lasts 18 hours. To extend the autonomy, there are a couple of power-saving modes and the option to freeze the activity of applications. In its class, the smartphone looks confident Realme 9i has enough advantages. On the one hand, compared to its predecessor, it has reduced performance and screen refresh rate. However, the Realme gadget received support for 33W fast charging and high-quality stereo speakers. The device pleases with a good camera, decent autonomy, the presence of NFC and a fast fingerprint scanner. The overall balance of qualities of the Review Hero is on top. This concludes the review. Bye bye.